Hey guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler. I had a very tough day today. I didn't have any plan of shooting this video, but मुझे लगा कि फिर as a memory I should record this. It's the anxiety in pregnancy. All my women folks who have been pregnant or who are pregnant at present will relate to what I'm going to say. Today I am 35 weeks and 3 days pregnant. अब बस 2-3 weeks more to my delivery and I'm very excited about it. But you know, जैसे जैसे टाइम एकदम नज़दीक आता जा रहा है ना, I am also very much anxious. Like excitement है, then anxiousness है. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ना बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे looping thoughts में डाल देती है. So I'm going to talk about it. So those of you who would like to listen to my bug, please sit around with your coffee, chai. मैंने अभी फिलहाल caffeine intake बहुत कम किया हुआ है, तो I don't have my chai coffee in my hand. मुझे थोड़ा अजीब भी लगता है because I have so many male subscribers. I'm like, how are they going to relate to me? Anyway guys, थोड़ा time के लिए this is what Desi Girl Traveler is all about. So one of the symptoms of pregnancy is that you go to toilet so frequently, third trimester में especially. तो मैं पानी पीती हूँ रात को. एक सेकेंड मैं थोड़ा support लेके बैठ जाऊँ. I feel very thirsty, so I drink a lot of water. See, anyway, throughout pregnancy I have not been able to sleep like this flat. Mostly मैं left करवट पे सोती हूँ, कभी कभी right करवट भी ले लेती हूँ. तो वो left से right side turn होने में और bed से उतरने में, toilet तक जाने में it's like 10 minute 15 minutes का task. Then I pee, come back, lie down in the bed, and after 15-20 minutes again is the same thing. So whole night it goes like this only, और I'm mostly sleepless. अब नींद ही नहीं आती है मुझे. Maybe it's nature's way of preparing your body for motherhood, क्योंकि newborn will keep you awake for a very long time. ऐसा मैंने सुना है, बाकी तो मैं experience अपना share करूँगी. Like I have not been able to sleep since past 4-5 nights, and daytime भी मुझे नींद नहीं आई है. Last night I was continuously going to the toilet and then पता नहीं क्यों, although I knew that I should not be doing it, but फिर भी मैंने अपना फ़ोन उठा लिया. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि रात को मैं फ़ोन स्क्रॉल ना करूँ, because I search a lot about motherhood, pregnancy. मेरा एल्गोरिदम भी वैसा हो गया है कि वैसे ही कंटेंट मुझे दिखाता है इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे and all. So I saw a post from a creator who is from outside India and I admire her. She is a business coach kind of woman, and she wrote a post about how I almost did not tell you that I'm pregnant. She is currently 20 weeks pregnant, and then she has spoken about so many miscarriages and also her mother, how many miscarriages she had, and she doesn't have a sibling. And then she also wrote in that post that her mother, she had a full-term pregnancy and baby was a stillborn. It was almost 2:30 at night, and I read that. Since then my brain was continuously like, what if it becomes my reality? I know I'm a very practical human being. I am very aware of myself. So I keep telling myself that this is someone else's story. It's not my story. My reports are very normal. Everything is going healthy, but still, you know, subconsciously throughout pregnancy you will have this kind of fear. I'll talk about all my fears of last 8 months, how I have survived, but let me just finish this one. वो पढ़ लिया मैंने और मुझे लगा कि what if this happens to me. And just 2 days back I had gone to my doctor and she told me that you have to keep tracking your baby movement. मेरे दिमाग में एक थॉट आ गई रात को कि I'm not feeling the movement, I'm not feeling the movement. See, दिन में अगर ऐसा कुछ फील होना तो you are so much aware, but रात को although I'm sleepless, like नींद नहीं आती है, but still part of my brain is dead kind of. You understand आधी रात को कैसा होता है. I am not sleeping but I am not awake also. और वो continuously that thought kept on looping in my head. और सुबह तक मुझे लगा ना, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग एनी बेबी मूवमेंट एट ऑल, समथिंग हैज़ गॉन रॉन्ग. कल रात को मैंने ऐसा फील किया था. कल का पूरा दिन आई हैड वेरी गुड बेबी मूवमेंट. लगे इतना बदमाश शैतान बच्चा है, बस फीलिंग इनसाइड भी क्या मस्त किक मार रहे हैं. एंड मॉर्निंग आई वोक अप एंड आई ड्रैंक कोल्ड वाटर, बिकॉज ऐसा बोलते हैं कि इफ़ यू ड्रिंक कोल्ड वाटर, इफ़ यू ईट स्वीट्स, देन यू विल फील द मूवमेंट. आई फेल्ट once or twice, but still my subconscious mind was like, no, something is wrong, something is is wrong. Then I told my husband, you know what, I should go to the hospital, let's go. He's very aware of my anxious brain. वो मुझे कहता है कि तुझे अटकने की ना बीमारी है, तू अटक जाती है किसी भी चीज़ को लेके. But at the same time, he respects whatever I tell him and he doesn't argue. He knows that if something is bothering me, he respects that something is bothering me. That's all. So we went to the hospital and doctor asked me to do an NST. NST is non-stress test, pain-free. They just tie a belt in your belly and track the movement and heartbeat. 30-40 minutes का कुछ होता है वो. You have to just lie down and they give you something in your hand. I don't have a picture of video of that क्योंकि मेरे hospital में ना they don't allow the camera. मतलब जहाँ भी अंदर टेस्ट वेस्ट के लिए जाती हूँ, which I feel is a good thing also. So they give you something to press in your hand. So every time you feel a movement, you have to press that. 5 movement होना चाहिए. And suddenly I was feeling all the movements and doctor was smiling at me and she was like, see, your baby is moving. It's a very naughty baby. And I also smiled and I felt so relieved. Hey, what's with this itching in pregnancy? Yeah? Like whole day I'm itching here, I'm itching there. I feel so disgusted. Anyway, yeah, so that was the thing. Then doctor also smiled at me. My doctor is very sweet. She told me just go back home. Don't worry about the anxiety. It happens. It will just be growing and more as your delivery date comes near. ये सबके साथ होता है. So this was my story. A simple Instagram post made me reach the emergency in the hospital. इसलिए मैं एक चीज़ advise करूँगी all that during pregnancy stay away from Instagram post. YouTube videos about all these things because see one thing about social media as a content creator I'm gonna suggest to you, मतलब जितने भी आप massive views वाले content देखते हो, fear mongering की वजह से ऐसे content चलते हैं. कोई भी अपनी हैप्पी स्टोरी जल्दी नहीं सुनाता. इट्स ऑल लाइक ट्रिगर्ड कंटेंट, सम हुक्स, दिस दैट एंड ऑल. दैट इज द रीजन आई डिसाइडेड टू फिल्म दिस वीडियो सो दैट यू आर एबल टू रिलेट कि ऐसा होता है. एंड आई हैव बीन वेरी पुअर इन मेकिंग सच ट्रिगरिंग हुक्स एंड ऑल. मेरा कंटेंट कैसा होता है आपको पता ही है. दैट्स व्हाई आई गेट लेसर व्यूज क्योंकि ऐसे वाले कंटेंट कोई देखना पसंद नहीं करता ना, इंटरेस्ट नहीं आती है चीज़ों में. एनीवे, सो talking about the anxiety, this is such a real thing. See, I have an anxious brain हमेशा से and I have spoken about it many a times कि travel करते हुए भी when I am anxious और मुझे लगता है ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा, what I do is I let my mind chatter and I move. I take the first step, I take the next step and that's how I complete all my travel task and everything. I go breathless guys, can't help it. But ये वाला टाइम ना सबसे लंबा टाइम है जब मैं कंटिन्यूसली एंजाइटी पाले बैठी हूँ फ्रॉम डे 1 ऑफ नोइंग दैट आई एम प्रेग्नेंट. सबसे पहली चीज़ तो मैंने प्रेगनेंसी अनाउंसमेंट वीडियो में भी ये बात कही थी. द मोमेंट आई केम टू नो दैट आई एम प्रेग्नेंट, एवरीबडी वाज लाइक यू नो इट्स लेट pregnancy. Late in the sense my age is 41. Everybody made me scared. As a usual human being, मैं भी ChatGPT, Google, Instagram, YouTube ऐसे ऐसे जाके सारा content browse कर रही हूँ. Most of the content were again like 40 plus में pregnancy is very risky, is high risk pregnancy, this that and all. और मुझे बहुत टाइम से ये चीज़ एक मेरे दिमाग में बैठी हुई थी वैसे ही. I don't think so I can be a mother. Scenario of my life was very different. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में ये चीज़ thought कभी थी नहीं. Many times people told me because you have thyroid. I have thyroid since past 11 years, so you will not be able to have a baby. Then फिर लेट प्रेगनेंसी है तो ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा, बेबी का हार्ट बीट नहीं आएगा. 15-20 days तक I had that kind of anxiety. Oh my god, the initial days were so tough. शुरू में when I came to know that I'm pregnant, I had so many things at stake. I was going to Japan, I was going to South Korea, I was just so busy with applying all the visas and all. Then I had my group trips, then there were so many projects that was pending and suddenly I get to know this. I will not say I was sad, but I was just overwhelmed about how to navigate this whole thing because suddenly there is such a big change in my life. So I was already so messed up in my head because of all the things work wise, and then other part of my brain was very happy because it was such a happy news of my life, although I was not able to process it. For 15 days I was very anxious कि what if my baby does not have a heartbeat and I'll have to go to that sad part. It was brutal, but then when I went to the doctor for my first scan, I heard the heartbeat and I was very happy. I told you guys already about that episode how it went. 3rd month complete होने के बाद they will do another scan और उसमें check करेंगे कि बेबी का body part सारा कुछ बना है कि नहीं. Then again so many posts talk about how many people have miscarriages in the first 3 months, and every day, oh my god, those who are pregnant will understand what I'm talking about. It was such a scary feeling. Like every day, no matter what I was doing, every day I had this constant fear in my head. What if something goes wrong? What if something goes wrong? And it's such a beautiful, funny thing about life. कोई चीज़ आपको नहीं चाहिए होती है तो नहीं चाहिए होती है, but the moment you want something, you get so attached to it and you're so scared of losing it. And that's what happened to me. I never thought I'm gonna be a mother, और मैंने उस चीज़ पे कभी लाइफ में ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. And suddenly I have this news and I know there is a human inside me, and every day I'm praying, God, please, now that you have given it to me, please protect it. I want to nurture this. I don't want to go through the pain of losing it. No matter what I was doing, every day this constant anxiety I had. Although my first trimester was brutal, I was vomiting all the time. I've already spoken about it, but yeah, 3 months pura hua, then went for the scan. You know, part of my brain was always like, I have prayed to Mahakal, I have prayed to Baglamukhi Mata for all this, so everything is going to be fine. But still, कितना भी आप कर लो, एक छोटा सा डर आपके अंदर हमेशा रहेगा. ये चीज मुझे प्रेगनेंसी में मैंने सीखी है. No matter what you do, little bit of fear will always be there. So 3 months के बाद that scan got completed and doctor said everything is fine. I was very happy. Then next thing doctor said, we will do anomaly scan in the 5th month. Basically then they see if baby's heart has been formed properly and all the body parts are developing well. 3 महीने का exam clear किया, 3rd month का scan पूरा हुआ, then now I had to wait for the 5th month. Again same thing. I kept myself busy with editing videos. अच्छा, इससे पहले एक चीज और हुई थी. I had to travel. I had plans of traveling to Malaysia and Japan. तो मैंने सोचा था फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर पूरा हो जाएगा and I will be able to travel to Japan. इस बार का जापान ट्रिप, फर्स्ट वाला जो जब मैं वीज़ा अप्लाई करी थी वो तो मेरा पर्सनल ट्रिप था, मैंने सोचा था मैं खुद से ट्रैवल करूँगी. बट दिस वन आफ्टर फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर विच आई वॉज प्लानिंग, इट वॉज विथ a very renowned brand, like my dream brand I wanted to work with, and they asked me to travel to Japan. It was like a dream collab. और मैं डॉक्टर से पूछने गई, can I travel? And doctor said no. That time my placenta was low, so doctor said it can damage your baby if you walk too much. थोड़ा सा sad तो मैं हुई थी उस टाइम पे. मुझे लगा यार जापान it's my dream destination and the brand I wanted to work with. फिर लगा यार नहीं, sometimes you know in life you will have too many options and then you have to choose what matters the most in that moment. For me, my work, my travel, my content and then this personal life, everything matters. एक ability भगवान ने अब इस एज तक तो मुझे दे दी है. I know what is important at what time. तो मुझे लगा ये जापान, ये ट्रिप्स, ये कंटेंट, ये काम जिंदगी भर मैं कर सकती हूँ. This is something I have to choose, and I told the brand that I cannot travel. Told them the reason also. I didn't want to lie. Told them that whenever I'm back to work and I'm able to travel properly, I will write back to you. So in future, let's see. So the problem was, I even told to the brand that my problem is I cannot walk too much, and I don't want to be creating content like a task. As in, I was not able to walk too much, and after all the nausea and everything of first trimester, my energy level was really low. तो मुझे लगा आप लोगों को भी लगेगा वीडियो में ना वो मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा. एंड जापान इज़ वन कंट्री आई हैव बीन ड्रीमिंग अबाउट विजिटिंग सिंस पास्ट 2 years. तो मैंने मना कर दिया उनको. सो या डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी नो. तो वो मतलब 3 महीने के स्कैन के बाद प्लेसेंटा वाज लो. वो उसकी टेंशन मुझे हो गई यार, इफ द प्लेसेंटा इज़ लो थ्रू आउट देन आई विल बी बेड रिडन एंड आई विल पुट ऑन सो मच वेट. उस चीज़ की एंजाइटी मैंने ले ली. बट 5th मंथ के स्कैन में दे सॉ माई प्लेसेंटा हैज़ गॉन अप. बोलते हैं ऐसा कि 80-90% केसेस में ऐसा हो जाता है. 3rd मंथ के एंड में दिखता है प्लेसेंटा इज लो, विच इज़ वेरी रिस्की. उसके बाद ऊपर चला जाता है. तो लकीली दैट हैपेंड टू मी एंड देन डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी दैट यू कैन नाउ डू योर योगा, वॉक, एवरीथिंग. एंड डॉक्टर ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी दैट if you want to travel you can travel. ये 5th month वाले स्कैन में बोला. By that time my belly started growing and I asked myself one question: do I really want to travel in this kind of situation? I know people go for baby moon, this, that, blah blah blah, but मेरा case was very different. I've traveled so much in the past 8 years that I did not feel the need to travel. My energy level was definitely not like before, although 2nd trimester was very nice, but I decided that I'm not going to travel. Rather, I told my husband, let's move to a bigger house where I can walk freely and shoot freely and आई हैव बेटर व्यूज़। तो इस वजह से भी मैंने घर चेंज किया, बिकॉज आई रियलाइज्ड कि वट एवर मनी वी आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड in exploring 1 or 2 countries, we can lease out a house, bigger house, beautiful house for that money, and that will be a better choice at present. And I'm very proud that we made that choice because travel, I know that it's just a part of me and it will happen eventually. I'm not gonna be like घर के अंदर pack उस time पे I chose this. So anyway, 5th मंथ का जब स्कैन हुआ ना, नॉर्मली स्कैन हुआ एंड डॉक्टर सेड दैट बेबी इज़ ग्रोइंग वेल, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड। उस दिन मैंने अपने आप को प्रॉमिस किया दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फील एंशियस अगेन, आई नो एवरीथिंग इज़ गोइंग टू बी फाइन। मतलब थ्योरी वाइज तो मैं हर दिन अपने आप को यही चीज़ समझाती थी, बट उसके बाद लाइक यू नो दैट दिस इज़ something you should not be thinking, this anxiety is bad, but still it happens. The next thing, doctor told me that we will do a fetal echo scan. Basically it's about the heart of baby, and वो I think 5th month या 6th month ऐसे ही कुछ हुआ था. And then again, oh my god, I saw a post on Instagram, someone lost the baby after 5th month. I feel so sad because you know पहले when I was not pregnant, मैं इन सब चीज़ों को शायद ऐसे ही पढ़ लेती, but now that I'm living it every day, I understand how devastating it can be and how painful it can be, and how much a woman feel attached to this tiny human inside her body. And वो post मैंने पढ़ लिया, and then again anxiety hit me. It's like what if this becomes my reality? But ऐसे ऐसे करके फिर echo scan भी हुआ मेरा, and that also came good. Every day it has been like that. So 24 weeks के पहले it was like, because you don't feel too much movement and also you don't know if everything is good inside. तो मुझे लगता था कि once I will be able to feel the kicks and the moves and all, then I will be comfortable and calm, not feeling anxious, because then I will know what is happening inside. But no, after 24th week, doctor told me that you have to keep tracking the movement of your baby. And oh my god, after that it became even more worrisome kind of thing, because then your mind becomes so conscious. You feel the kick and suddenly you don't feel the kick. Throughout the day you are working. I also was working. I was editing videos, making videos. So पूरे टाइम में ध्यान दे के नहीं सुन सकती या फील कर सकती, और जैसे यहाँ से ध्यान हटता था, I'm like, did I feel the kick? Did I feel the movement? From 24th week अभी जाके मैं 35th week में हूँ. So 11 weeks, it's 2.5 months almost. I have been anxious because of this particular thing. So I realized this is going to be a part. Just wanted to tell you, if you guys are in this stage in your early pregnancy, it's very normal to feel this way. I just wanted to talk about how anxious I have felt in all these months, and now that my delivery date is coming very close, मुझे anxiety होती है कि how will I take care of the baby. मैं आपको समझाती भी हूँ कि I will be able to do everything properly. पूरी लाइफ करी है हर चीज़ खुद से, so I'll be able to manage. But part of my brain is like, कैसे होगा, कैसे करूँगी, you know. पिछले 8 महीनों से I have been posting videos, I have been editing videos. Travel नया कुछ मैंने नहीं किया है, because that was a choice. मैं ये सारे काम कर रही थी, Instagram पे videos बना रही थी, and I had this kind of guilt भी नहीं बोलूँगी, but there was something like you guys did not know. मुझे लगता था यार, am I being energetic enough in my videos? I was also like, am I giving enough to my work? But फिर लगा मुझे, see, I am doing the best I can in my capacity in this stage where I don't have strength, energy or anything like before. Kept myself busy, kept editing videos, kept posting videos. जब भी मुझे लाइफ में कोई चीज़ परेशान करती है ना, if I am not able to deal with it or I am very much scared, I always remind myself कि टाइम की सबसे अच्छी बात होती है that it changes. अच्छा टाइम या बुरा टाइम. So every time कोई भी मुझे ऐसे बोलेगा अब तो तेरी लाइफ चेंज हो गई, you will not be able to do this, you won't be able to do that, and I keep telling everybody it's okay, it's a phase and eventually it will be over. Okay, so every day I have been counting days, and on the days when it gets very tough, I'm like, it's okay, it's a phase, it will get over, and I'll be able to do everything what I like, and I'll be able to do it in a much better way. So that's how I have survived since past 8 months, and that's what I'm looking forward to doing in future. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this anxiety episode of pregnancy, which is a very real thing. It will happen, you will feel like this, but you have to go through it. There is no other option. If you have people around you, it's good, you can talk to them, but then even if you talk to people, no, maximum वो लोग क्या करेंगे, आपको बोलेंगे अरे सब कुछ ठीक है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, kind of. But at the end of the day, it's your mind. You have to deal with it. Now counting days, 35 weeks, 3 days, 4 days, like that. So another 2 to 3 weeks. I'm just recording these videos, not very sure if I'll be posting it, or maybe I will post it. These days I have been getting comments like time to unsubscribe you because you will not travel. It triggers me little bit, especially males, but I do understand where they are coming from, because they feel that a woman once have a baby or have a family, they're not going to travel or something. I'm not going to comment on that part. See, 8 years back I did not even have Desi Girl Traveler. I created it with my own hard work. I know I will travel, I know I will work, or maybe I'll work something better, but yeah, whatever it is, ऐसे comments कभी कभी मुझे trigger कर देते हैं. The content is going to be little slow in this particular phase, because you cannot expect me to run to the mountains or do very hardcore kind of travel, the kind of travel I have been doing in this particular stage. So it's a phase. Maybe it will take 3, 4, 5 months or maybe 6 months. I don't know, but whatever it is, I know I'll rock it. Talk to you guys again in the next episode. We'll come here and share my feelings. Until then, bye.